Happy ko na na-reach ko to, and yun lang po.
Okay, thank you, Joe. And Johan, same question to you.
For me po, we don't want to live in regrets po, so we need to like go all out in this stage kasi we don't want to live na parang mag-live na sayang, dapat ginawa namin yung best namin. Kaya sinasabi ko po lagi sa kanila, let's do our best this finals.
Yes, you're right. Thank you. And JP, ngayon nandito na kayo sa finish line. Ano feeling nyo?
For me personally, I'm just really thankful being part of the finals. Kasi we're here in front of the supporters, all of our supporters. We showed how great and how passionate we are of what we're doing. So yeah, we're so just grateful for everyone.
Yes, thank you. Tenshin, thank you to you. Ano feeling mo? Ano feeling mo?
Kinakabahan po ako. Pero inisip ko po na nandiyan po yung mga sumusuporta po sa akin at yung mga taong naniniwala po sa talent ko na kaya ko maging isa sa 9 Dreamers.
Yes, thank you, Tenshin. And Ram? Anong feeling mo ngayon? Ram?
Ngayon, sobrang saya po kasi ngayon na nandito namin sa finals, dito na namin matulungan yung buong journey na nakasama namin yung buong trainees, and ayun, sobrang saya ko lang kasi I was able to try all the concepts, like my first mission is cute, and the second is loud and dark, and ngayon sexy. Yeah.
Yeah. You did a great job. 네, 아이반. 지금 이제 마지막에 앞두고 있는데 기분이 어때요?
되게 나는 기분이 앞에서 처음 성공이 공연인데 너무나도 떨렸지만 이렇게 지금처럼 응원해주시는 힘을 잃어서 오늘 무대 저희 멤버들이랑 다 같이 잘했던 것 같습니다.
So I think this is our last performance before the 9 Dreamers, and it's our first time to showcase this in front of our Dream Keepers. So I was able to feel that energy coming from their cheers. So I think members and I were able to get that energy and put it in our performance. So I was really happy.
Thank you, Group 2. You really showed us what you're made of. And now let's listen to what our mentors